Hello, welcome to this video. Alright, so in this particular video I'll be guiding you through on how you can register in Bybit, sign up successfully and verify your account successfully. Very fast and step-by-step guide you need. Alright, so let's get started. So in case you have not you want to register, there is a link on the description box, so you can click on the link. But before you click on the link, the first step you need to take is to go to your Play Store. Now, why are we in Play Store? We need a VPN to do the registration in the website. You understand? So you come to Play Store and type Proton VPN. As you can see, I just downloaded this VPN for the sake of this tutorial. I just downloaded it installed. So let me open it. So I'll click on open. So I'll need to on this VPN before clicking on the link for the registration. So before you click on the link on the description box, you need to follow this process. So continue as guests, as you can see. Reason is because you don't need to log in or sign in or sign up. You don't need to sign up. So you can actually use this particular VPN for free. So without paying cover. So not now. Click on not now. Not now, which is down below here. So I'll click on it, then I'll be able to connect. So I will click on connect. Now when you connect, you click on allow. Now you need to change this. Is connected, so no thanks. So you need to change this. Is on USA and USA does not accept Bybit. You understand? So I'll click on change server. Let me check. I want it to go to Japan. Let me see if it can go to. It's still on Poland, so I'll need to change it till it comes to Japan. Let me see. So I'm waiting for the countdown, remaining 23 seconds, 22, 21 seconds. All right, so I will change server again. Now it is in Japan. Very good. All right, so now we are good to go. Why? Because even the last this thing gave us will not still connect. So what would I do now? I will need to click on the link. So you click on the link on the description box after connecting it successfully. So I have clicked on the link and it's bringing me into Bybit website. So now so this is the first page is going to bring you to. Then you need to sign up on the top. Click on sign up on the top. So and it's going to open this page for you. Then you will be able to put in your details. You'll be able to put in your details. So I'm going to do a new registration at this point. So I'm going to put no, I'm not using this one. So let me use in another email, jamesfs010. So just leave everything like this. Once you have put the email, click on sign up. So you give it some seconds to do the both verification. Now you need to drag this, use this to drag this bus inside this bus and make sure that it enters correctly. It lapped on the space. All right, successfully. So successfully done. So let's go to the next page. It's going to take me. So you click on the sign up. this email, what did they say? I think I got this email cannot be linked to your account. Oh, see the error here. So .com, sorry, so that is the error. So let me continue. So let me do the verification again. I'll drag this inside the empty space. All right, done. So now I will need to go to my email to take this code and put it here. So the email has come. I've received the email. So I'm going to open this email in order to take the code they sent, which is this. So I'm going to copy, then move back. So, oh, it actually took me back. But let me see. Oh, it actually took me back. Okay, let me quickly run it. So paste the link, the code. Okay, actually it's not pasting at once. So what I'll do is take it this way. That is 899812. So that is what I got. I got 899812. Alright, so I am done. So I'm going to create a password, a very strong password. So you are expected to create a very strong password. You understand? It is advisable. So let me start. Alright, so I'm done imputing it. So how will you know there is a strong password? Now, when all of these boxes are ticked good, you know that is a strong password. Why? Because you missed letter, uppercase, lowercase, number, and character. You understand? So that is it. So now let me go to the next by view my 5,000 something reward. So that is when you complete the task. So let's proceed. Download Bybit. So already I have a Bybit app. So let me save this password. It's very important. So now I have signed up, right? So I have signed up. So what I'm going to do now is to take my details to log in the application. So the next thing you need to do is to go to Play Store. So let's go to Play Store. Already I have downloaded it. So if I go to Play Store, what I'll be seeing there, it should be update. So I'll just go to my Bybit. So I just need to open my Bybit account, and I'm going to click on sign up or sign in, right? So that is what I'm going to click. So I'll remove this particular account to put the one that I just registered now. That is Jane, the first one. So this is the one I registered now with my saved. Yes, so I'm using my saved details. So already is here. So I just click on login because I saved it. So it's saved in my email. So complete the verification and I'm in. So now we are done with the first stage of creating the account. The second thing we need now is our KYC verification. So click on this point on the top where you're seeing your profile picture. So at this point I'm going to click on settings, right? So I'm going to click on settings. So and I'm going to click on no, I don't think it's settings. So I'm going to click on here on I think it should be on verify ID. So let me click. Sorry, hold on. So I'm going to click on verify now. verify now. So I click on verify now. So I'm going to select my country from here. So I'm going to type Nigeria, NG, right? Okay, let me just write it complete. So I'll select Nigeria. So I'll click, you accept this, sorry, you accept this, and click on confirm. Now I'm going to select the first one I need to verify is my proof of identity. So I'll click on it, and I'm going to select my country as well, Nigeria. Select Nigeria. So I'm going to see the most easiest one is your BVN. The most easiest is your BVN. So I recommend you use your BVN. So once you click on confirm, you just need to type in. So let's allow it to load. So you type in your BVN. After typing in your BVN, you are going to click on continue, and once you submit it, you are going to allow them to verify it. And after the verification, so once you've submitted it, just go back. So I'm going back, I'm existing. Why? Because I don't want to take the process. Now after that, you are going to also click on this one, which is identity assessment. You understand? So you're going to do the fastest one you need is your bank statement. So if you have either CUDA, generate bank statement on CUDA, snap it. You understand? Snap it and upload the picture there. You understand? Or you have any either UBA, either First Bank, just generate, but Wema Bank, all these ones, just within seconds you get it from your app. You download it in your email and you screenshot it and show them and send and upload there. You understand? So that is the fastest way you can go through your verification successfully. So take this step. Once it's done, now you are going to see it here that you are done with your verification. Is remaining deposit. You understand? So I'm not going to go through the verification now. You understand? But this is the easiest way. I have 2 accounts already, so I don't want to create this next one. So that is the easiest way you can go through this. And once you are done, you are going to see this orange color here, this yellow color here, sorry, will move down to deposit because already you are done with the KYC. So this is the process, and once you are done with this, now you can, the next video is going to teach you on how you can navigate through the Bybit application. All right, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.